Hello everyone. We are studying at the National Tsinghua University of Education and Graduate Institute of the Human Resource Management. And I'm Tsung-Lin. Our members are
My name is Tsung-Lin.
My name is Pin-Cheng.
My name is Kun-Hua Huang, and under the guardian of our advisor, Professor Huang.
and today we will presentation of the topic of the agents workforce shortage in production unites with the industry, academia collaboration with the overseas students, a case study of the company edge. And now, first, we will introduce, and I'm the reporter Zhonglin Zhang. First, we have the four function in the human resource, and we have the challenge in this topic is increasing the demand for the shortened level shortage. And we have the case study for the company edge. The company edge is a traditional industries, and they have some problems for the shortened level shortage in the rapidly changing environments. So we have some solutions for the programs detailed and make some advance in the company edge, and we expect have some good outcomes for the short-term benefits and the long-term competitiveness. Yeah, second to the backgrounds, the human resource supposed organizations through the recruitment training and performance management. However, traditional industries, especially manufacturing, face the quick shortened level shortage, impact production efficiency, and make market responses. And third, research objective. This study explores solutions for the shortened level shortage in traditional industries. Focus on the foreign workers and the industry academia collaboration to address workforce gaps.
Hello, student Kun-Hua. Let me begin by introducing Company H. Founded in 1969, Company H is a Taiwanese manufacturer specialized in plastic bottle and related products. It serves both domestic and international markets with a wide range of items, including beverage OEM supplies, bottle caps, and labels. Despite its quality-focused operations and strong market presence, the company struggled with labor shortage caused by seasonal production peak influence order and its reliance on manual labor. The main challenge is short-term labor shortage driven by high turnover rate, seasonal demand fluctuations, limited availability of local workers. Traditional rescue methods have been slow, creating delays, and adding strains on production schedules. To address this, we propose an industry-academic collaboration model by recruiting international students. Key steps include partnership with school, collaboration with university and language center to assess a student pool of student workers, clear agreements, define terms like role, work hours, and responsibilities. School handle candlelight sprints in and work permits, while the company manages training and assignments. The model provides a flexible solution to meet short-term labor demands while offering students valuable practice experience.
Hello everyone, I'm Pin-Cheng. Let me present the next section starting with flexible work arrangement. We offer flexible hours like weekend or holiday shifts so students can manage their schedule. We also use shift-based scheduling to meet production needs during peak times. With this arrangement, students need to understand their role leading to internship content and training programs. We streamline onboard with short, intensive training on basic skill producing and safety, helping international students adapt quickly. Students are assigned to simple labor-intensive roles like production or packaging, limiting the impact on efficiency. Experienced employees act as mentors to girls and support them. Next, let's discuss regulation and safety. We ensure compliance with local law by helping students get work permits and providing necessary insurance. Additionally, we offer transportation subsidies, meals, and housing to ease living costs and boost engagement. Finally, for program sustainability, we include performance management and feedback mechanism. To track student performance and evaluate the program success, a feedback system lets students and company share ideas, improving future collaborations. That concludes my session. Now let's welcome the next presenter to continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Tsung-Lin. Final is conclusion.
Company H faced labor shortage, then hurt production and competitiveness. By hiring international students, the company gained the flexible solution to keep operational stable while giving students valuable experience. This approach ensures product continuity, mutual benefit, and a stronger position in the market.
Thank you.